Yeah.
To the east, the road beneath my feet. To the west, well I haven't got there yet. And to the north, never to be caught. To the south, my time is running out. Ever since
Our story continues with us heading to New Orleans.
She is biting.
Our first stop was the French Quarter, known for its music, its art and its amazing architecture.
Oh, I got you. Wait, we're going to make sure there's only one show going on. Here we
Obviously, we couldn't go to New Orleans without checking out the nightlife.
So we've just got drive-through daiquiris, baby. 32 ounces of pure joy. Adult fun.
So, saying goodbye to Lee and Willow, Amy the cat, and Ruby the bus. Safe travels, cheers. Subaru does sound nice though.
After New Orleans, we got to experience our first Thanksgiving meal with some friends we just met at the local VW gathering.
Wasn't oyster stuffing that you...
Right, so this is what happens when Amy gets stuck. A bit of perspective. She was quite happy to climb up there. She's not happy about coming down, are you?
me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company.
So we're at Jeff's and we're doing a bit of maintenance before we hit the
What's that?
the desert. That is just a random nut that was on the front. What have you just done?
My second.
Because we had to get a new tyre on this and it was a bit wobbly. Here's our new transformer so we can charge our batteries off American Power. We've got an oil change going on under here. And then at the front I'm taking this door card off because you can see the water's all leaking through some of the screw holes, so that needs resealing and it needs to come off anyway because the handle's loose. So, bit of maintenance this morning.
Sneak peek behind the door card. Off to shoot some automatic weapons. Driving in style.
I'm a slick King.